Hey guys, welcome back to Coin Knowledge. Today, I just want to go over some news that I think is going to be super bullish and explosive for Altura, kind of a micro cap in the crypto gaming sector, one that we've covered here on the channel, and I'm glad that it gives me a chance to revisit it. I still have my eyes on Altura, so if you're a fan of crypto gaming and just gaming as a whole in the future of cryptocurrency, consider subscribing to the channel and liking some of the videos. Your support means a lot. And if we look at Altura, what they have here is that couple days ago, Unity did decide to obviously partner with 11 of the top 11 of the top Web3 companies in its Verified Solutions program. We made a video on it and kind of breaking down what Verified Solutions is a couple days ago. You can find it on this channel. And Altura was one of them. So we will look at the full Medium article on that. And seeing here, they're doing a little contest to get some Altura. And then Alturnians, some of you had questions on what it means to be a Unity verified solution. Let's break it down. So just as quick and simple, in case you haven't seen that video, Unity's asset store is the most popular asset store in game development. Yesterday, Unity introduced tools to support creators interested in decentralized gaming. And then Altura's Unity SDK is one of those tools. Now game devs interested in building Web3 games will no longer have to deal with the costly investment or technical complexity required to convert in-game assets into NFTs. Altura handles all of that for you. So obviously turn in-game assets into NFTs. And if we look here, and we can actually click on this link here. We'll look at that here in a second, but here's the full Medium page. And I'll be linking some of this in the description below if you want to get in here and kind of do a little bit more research yourself. So, and I agree with what they say here. I think this is probably the most exciting news in the history of Altura, the fact that Unity has chosen them to be a part of their verified solution. Obviously, I think it's going to bring a lot of adoption to Altura, especially when we get into the next bull run or even the next crypto gaming narrative kicks off. Really, because obviously what Unity is saying that they have a lot of faith in Altura as far as being stable, productive, having good performance, usability, documentation, long-term support. And about Altura, if you're not familiar, Altura's API and SDKs allow you to create, update, and transfer NFTs in-game without technical complexity or costly investment. And with the help of our marketplace solutions, you have the flexibility to sell your NFTs on our thriving marketplace or create your own custom branded storefront with our white label solution. If we can actually see on Unity's asset store, Altura's SDK, it says it's free. The fact that we're seeing this right in front of us is huge. I mean, this is adoption happening right in front of our eyes here. The fact that, people are already viewing this, they're already seeing, verified solution, Altura, add to my assets. It kind of, gives you a little blurb here on, why Altura, what they kind of do, any chain, any asset, any token. I mean, again, and I've been saying, Altura is one of my favorite projects and one that I've always had my eyes on constantly. I love what they're building, and I really have faith in Altura long term, especially when we look at Altura right now. It's on the down for today, but it did catch some liquidity and some price action from the Unity move or the news. So right now it's trading at about 2.5 cents right now. But you look at the market cap, even a fully diluted at just under 25 million with a market cap of under 18 million. Right now, I mean, that's super low cap, obviously, high risk play. Please do your own research. None of this is ever financial advice. Just bringing it to your attention, the news and the updates going in within the space. So if you see here, it did, off that Unity news, did break over that 3 cents. If you look at that 3-month chart, we can see right around New Year's, we got under a penny. Especially if we look at the alt chart, about last bull run, I think we topped out at about 30, 40, 42, 44 cents around there. And I think that, the fact that, and this is before, Altura had all the partnerships it has now, before the Unity news. So I think the future is very bright for Altura, and especially when they're making these key partnerships. And if we look here on the exchanges that they're not even on that many exchanges. They're not, especially if you look at centralized exchanges. I mean, you have Gate.io. That's kind of like the biggest one here. And obviously PancakeSwap. So, I mean, now that they have Unity, once again on more exchanges, and if we do kind of see that next kind of wave into the next bull run kind of goes, Altura is obviously here to stay. And I think that this partnership really does show and prove that they're not going anywhere, that they're going to be, kind of a more key player in the crypto gaming space. I really do think, I mean, you have to think, Unity chose Altura alongside, heavyweights like Algorand, MetaMask, Solana, Tezos, stuff like that. And it is very, again, bullish for Altura, but anyways, guys, that is kind of an update that I wanted to make separately from our Unity news video that we covered a couple days ago. Just because, again, Altura is on my watch list as far as projects right now, especially during these market conditions. It's one that I have my eyes on heavily, and like I say, always do your own research. Let me know in the comments below what you think of Altura. If you think this is good news for it, where do you think Altura is going? What do you think the future looks like for Altura? Or if you're not a fan, let me know. Let me know what you think of Unity as a whole. I think, again, like I said in the other video, I think it's just going to bring so much mass adoption, so much liquidity into the whole space, crypto gaming as a whole. I think this is the news that we needed. And I really do think for a lot of these, platforms that Unity partnered with, especially Altura, I think this is the biggest news we've really seen with some of these platforms. Altura specifically, I think. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, and we'll keep doing these little news update videos. I actually really like doing these, kind of keeping you guys into the loop a little bit best I can. And if you can like the video, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share the video. And otherwise, I will catch you guys in the next one. All right, see you guys.